Excuse me.
Really?
Hi, honey. What are you doing?
Making, well,
Nummies?
what could be considered breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah.
All at the same time.
Adrian. It's
First
chicken.
time we're eating. 4 o'clock.
I'm staying away from that raw chicken. Raw meat. Well. So anywho, good evening for the first time today. We're vlogging. It's like 4 o'clock. We just woke up from nap.
My phone didn't go off. We were supposed to be up 45 minutes ago, but hey!
It's okay. Obviously, we needed it if we didn't wake up to an alarm.
It didn't never alarm never went off. So.
Hi, baby toe. And there's a cute little fluffy puppies. There's a cute little fluffy puppies in the mist. Hello, fluffy puppy. You're so cute. What are you doing? He's like, I don't know. Hi. Ooh, what was that, Toast? Is that a squealing car? The car squeal? Excuse me.
Really? I turned the camera on to vlog about the dinner I made. It's some barbecue chicken, garlic potatoes, broccoli, and cheese. And this one goes, wow. She's adorable.
Don't touch me.
Too late. Anyway, hope you guys have had a great day so far today. We get done with this. We got a lot of things I gotta do. I gotta pack. I get to call my dad today. I talked to him about a month ago. I don't talk to him very often. I could probably count on 2 hands how many times I've talked to my dad my entire life that I recall.
He didn't want to be in your life in the first place, but...
So I'm gonna call him and say, "Hey, Grandpa." I'd be like, hee-haw. "Hey, Grandpa, what's for supper?" "We got some cornbread and victuals and black-eyed peas."
That's weird. Stop it. Please.
We got some barbecue chicken.
I can deal with a lot of your accents, but you going country on me is not one of them. Like, I can deal with your Chicago accent, your regular accent, and everything. Even your British accent that always turns, like, Australian. I can deal with that. But I cannot deal with you trying to be country. No.
She's going country.
No!
Look at them boots. She's going country. I get the point.
There's a puppy. Alright, so we're discussing this whole packing thing. I just had a moment, okay? My hormones are like, I can't help myself. I don't want him to go, and I'm like missing him already. And he hasn't even like walked away from me to get on a plane. And I'm sitting here like bawling my eyes out because I'm like, I'm gonna miss you. I don't want you to go. I have a fear of planes. Don't go.
And she's trying to be sweet and dumb over here, just laughing uncontrolled, like I feel like a douchebag. Like,
no, you're not.
I feel like a dish rag.
You're not.
Cause it's kind of cute, but yeah, I'm gonna be fine.
So I got you 6 pairs of socks, 2 long sleeve shirts, 3 short sleeve shirts. No, 4 short sleeve shirts, and 3 pants. You'll be gone for 4 days, right?
Yeah. Pack my deodorant?
Yes. I thought I did. Didn't you need that for the morning, though?
Yeah.
Pack your deodorant then. Okay. I did not pack
I was going to be like, what is this, drugs?
No, they're vitamins.
Drugs. Smuggling B vitamins in the country.
I mean, if we had smaller bottles, that's fine, but because they're bigger bottles, they won't allow you to carry that on a plane. And this is a carry-on bag. It's not like going underneath the plane. If you put something underneath the plane, though, you can get away with some stuff. Like, I've had breakable items and stuff in my bag.
Yeah. Good luck. You gotta say, look, you've had experience. She's like...
I told him, I can go with you and sneak snacks on the plane. I'm really good at that.
Touché. Sneaking snacks on the
Yep. Don't ask. It's enough for one small bowl. Haha! I caught you making a bowl of Fruity Pebbles. There's Fruity Pebbles though, man.
Wow, bro.
Fruity Pebbles, Tobes. Are you hungry? Is this what you want? Come here, baby. Come on. You silly puppy. Hey, mister. You ready for bed, man?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, let's go, man. Let's do this. Come on, Tosh. Go bed.
Let's run really off when we get ready.
Okay. I guess I got the rule of turning everything off. You want to turn that light off for me? Over there, please. Alright, Cubs, come on. Let's go. Come on, puppy. Ooh, it's dark. Come on. Where are you going? Where are you? Oh, there's the puppy. Alright. So, this bed is calling my name. I was hoping Michael would walk in right when I can say, like, it's calling his name too. Oh my gosh. I'm having some cramps. By the way, my doctor said that was completely normal to be cramping while pregnant. So I'm like, ugh. I hate cramping. I hate it. Honey!
Yeah, I'm coming.
What are you doing?
Come in, man.
Is this bed calling your name?
Feed me. Yeah.
What was that? What was that?
Feed me.
You're in work. Hey everyone, so the last clip that you saw was Michael and I going to bed. We didn't say peace out and deuces. I don't know why, but we didn't. Before he went on the plane. But yesterday I did not upload the vlog. I was really super emotional. It's been the first time 5 years that Michael's gone on a trip, and I've gone on a couple of trips without him, but I guess it's a different feeling when you're the one that kind of gets not necessarily left behind, but kind of like left behind, and my hormones were kicking in like hardcore, so I was just not in a good mood yesterday. I was super emotional and everything, so I did not upload the vlog, and I went to bed super early last night too. So I do apologize, but I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and peace out and deuces, and we'll see ya in the next vlog. That's about to get uploaded right after this one, but we'll see you guys then. Click that blue box for yesterday's vlog, click that green box for tomorrow's vlog. Sorry this vlog was kind of potatoes, but hey, I'm going to try and start vlogging a little bit more and stuff, so like maybe going back into the whole artsy vlogs and do some more montage kind of stuff in the middle of the vlogs just to make them a little bit more interesting for you. Thumbs up this button, thumbs up the like button if you guys like that idea, and yeah, we'll see ya tomorrow. Well, next vlog. We'll see you next vlog.